to another Citizen Science 101 video. Today we're going to cover how do I participate in citizen science. So you want to know, how can I get involved? How can I help scientists and research that I care about? Well, I have the answer for you. There are different ways that you can get started in citizen science. The first way is to call the library. Call us at 215-788-7891 and ask about our citizen science kits. These kits have all the materials you need to get started on your first citizen science project. We have biodiversity kits and measuring the light in the night sky kits. Both are awesome topics and easy to use in any environment. Another way that you can explore citizen science and get started is by visiting scistarter.org. SciStarter is a great place to start when you're trying to figure out what projects are of interest to you. Some projects can be done on the computer or on a smart device right from your home. Other projects are going to ask you to explore your environment, like with our kits. They're going to ask you to take a step outside and see the world around you. SciStarter.org asks you to create an account. We can show you that right here.
When you get to the SciStarter website, select Sign Up, where you can enter in a username, enter in your email, your zip code, and create a password. You can sign up for the newsletter or not, and once you agree to the terms of service, just hit that sign up button at the end and you're all set to go.
After you create an account, you can explore the different projects that might be happening either in person in your local community or ones that you can do your own, both from home virtually or out in your own backyard. So what do you need to get started? Besides creating a SciStarter account or stopping by the library to check out one of our citizen science kits, you basically need an internet connection, a laptop, or a smart device so that you can upload your results to the different projects. I hope this gives you a little bit more of an insight on how you can get started in citizen science. Stay tuned for our next video where we go through what our kits actually are, what's included in them, and how they can help you on your way to becoming a citizen scientist. Until next time, we'll see you soon.